Hello, it's Miss Haig back again, and we are talking about the letter Z or Z. Z, Z, Z. All right, we're going to start with our poem. So listen up for the Z sound. All right, here we go. Zora's zipper zips up and down. Z. Zora's zipper zips up her gown. Z. All right, let's try it again. Zora's zipper zips up and down. Zora's zipper zips up her gown. What's a gown? Yeah, it's a fancy word for like a dress, a long dress. So she's going to a party or a festival or out to see a play. She's wearing a beautiful gown. How many Z's, Z can we hear? Zora, yep. Zipper, yep. Zips, yep. Up, and down, nope. Zora's, yep. Zipper, yep. Zips, yep. Up, nope. Her gown, very nice. So how many Z words are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. Do you hear any rhyming words? Zora's zipper zips up and down. Zora's zipper zips up her gown. Did you say down and gown? You're amazing. Did you see Blue? He came in to take a little peek at what we were doing. All right, now we're going to do our listening. Listening for the Z sound. Z, Z, Z. Here we go. Is it in the beginning of the word? Thumbs up. The middle of the word? Thumb to the middle. The end of the word? Thumb down. Are you ready? Here we go. Zap. Zap. Yeah, at the beginning. Drizzle. Drizzle. Yeah, the middle. Jazz. Jazz. Yeah, the end. Fuzzy. Fuzzy. Yeah, the middle. Has. Has. Yeah, the end. Zinc. Zinc. You got it, the beginning. Zipper. Zipper. Yeah, the beginning. Dazed. Dazed. Yeah, the middle. And fuzz. Fuzz. The end. You are getting so good at listening for all of those Z sounds. Amazing. Oh, Blue. Blue wants to come up and say hi today, everybody. We haven't had a visit from Blue in a while. Blue, are you wondering why we're doing all the buzzing up here? Nope, there's no bee. No bee. Can you get down so we can do our printing soon? Thank you. All right, Blue, down you get. Go get your bone. Okay, we are going to do our uppercase and lowercase Z's. We're going to find our yellow highlighter or our pencil, and off we go. Starting here. 1, 2, 3. Good. 1, 2, 3. Good. 1, 2, 3. Good. Let's see if our hand remembers. 1, 2, 3. Good. 1, 2, 3. Good. 1, 2, 3. Good. All right. So the lowercase z is a lot like the uppercase z, just smaller. So this is the letter of the alphabet where they do look the same. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. Zzz. 1, 2, 3. Zzz. You got it. 1, 2, 3. Zzz. 1, 2, 3. Zzz. Let's see if our hand remembers. 1, 2, 3. Zzz. 1, 2, 3. Zzz. You got it. 1, 2, 3. Zzz. Okay, guys, this is going to be interesting. What are we going to turn our lowercase z's into? What do the z's remind you of? Is there any animal or insect that makes a z sound? I wonder if we should turn them into bees. What do you think? Buzzing bees? All right, so here's how I'm going to turn mine into a bee. I know that bees are black and yellow, and they have a body. So I'm going to make this a body. There's my Z, and some wings, like so. I'm going to put that there, and then I'm going to give my bees some eyes and some more black. I'm going to do the next one. And just put the black there this time. And we'll just give them some black stripes. And try again. Beautiful. Ooh, honeybee, honeybee. Where are you going? Should we put a little stinger on the end? All right, good job, everybody. Beautiful work printing your Zs today. So what we're going to do next after our printing is we are going to talk about hibernation. Hibernation is, I'm getting sleepy, and we've been talking about this for a while. It's when an animal takes a rest or goes to sleep over the winter months. There's a specific reason why. And then I picked hibernation during the Z week because snoring, or we call going to sleep, catching Z's. So what you're going to do is there's lots of things that are going to be out. So facilitators, brown paper bags, boxes, stuff from nature, sticks. I want you to construct a den or a nest that a hibernating animal could go into. So again, creativity is key here. Don't show them a finished product per se, but give them lots of time to construct a nest or a den or a bed for an animal that hibernates and see what they come up with. All right, have a beautiful time, and I will see you soon. Bye.